こんにちは、ゆみです。
And this is Clay. Today we're continuing with our One Piece marathon. This is the third video in our series. If you missed the first two, we have a link in the description below, so check that out. Let's get started. So last time when we left Doofy is the name of the young boy, young man. It looked like he died. It looked like he was in a small boat, and there was this huge whirlwind, and he can't swim. So it looks like he's dead. But spoiler alert, he's not dead because there are 99 more books in this series to go, and you can't kill him off yet. So let's start with this. We're in chapter 2 now, and the chapter 2 heading is
第2話、その男、麦わらのルフィ。
Second chapter, Sono Otoko, that person, that man. Mugiwara means a straw, but a straw hat here. And then Luffy is the name. This is a naming convention similar to, I think, Kumano Pusan, where you have the name, Pu, in this case, Luffy, at the end, and then you have the descriptor before it. So Kumano Pusan means Pu, who is a bear, and this Mugiwara no Luffy is Luffy, who is of the straw hat, or he's known for his straw hats, I guess.
とある島、ザザン。
A certain island. So Aru means shows uncertainty. It shows it doesn't have a name. It may have a name, but it's not important. Aruhito means someone, some person. And so in this case, Arushima, one island, a certain island.
ドン。つ、なんだいこの誇りは。
Oh, so we have a woman's finger, and she scrapes it across the wood, and she looks and says, "What's this? What's this?" Dust. Okori is dust. Dai is a question marker. So what's this?
申し訳ありません。アルビダ様、船は隅から隅まで掃除したつもりでしたが。
So we have one of the subordinates who is saying, "I am so sorry. I have no excuse." Wake means an excuse or a reason. I can say no excuse. I have no excuse for my behavior. I am so sorry. And then the lady's name is, we have a cat. Bye-bye. All right. That's the second time today. And her name is Arubida. Arubida sama. So I'm so sorry. And then on the ship, I meant to tsumori. Tsumori shows intention. So I meant to clean, soji. I meant to clean from corner to corner is the Japanese expression. So that's a useful expression, isn't it? Sumikara sumimade. In English, we'd say top to bottom, or every nook and cranny, or something like that. So every place he meant to clean.
もう一度やり直しますので、どうかなんだい?
So he continues and says, "I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to start over. Just please, I beg of you." Douka means to beg or to entreat of you, please. And she says, "What do you mean by douka? What do you mean by please?"
どうかかなぼうだけは嫌だ、死にたくない、ガン。
So the douka, the please, means anything but the kanabo, the metal club, the metal club. Now, when I see kanabo, I think of oni, like the oni carrying the Japanese legendary creatures who carry these metal
鬼が持ってるね、かなぼう。
metal clubs, and they're really scary creatures. Well, here's this lady captain who is also a very scary creature. So he says, "I just beg you, not the club. I don't want to die." And then, so it sounds like he's dead. So it sounds like she actually did use the club. And now she shifts to Koby. Can you read that?
コビー、この海で一番美しいものは何だい?
Koby, that's the name of the child here who's on her ship. What is the most beautiful thing in this ocean? Kono umi de, in this ocean, or on the seas, ichiban utsukushi, the most beautiful mono thing, nandai, what is?
もちろんそれはレディーアルビダ様です。
The he is a nervous laughter, and he says, "Of course, mochiron, of course, it is the lady, what's her name again? Arubida.
そうさ、だから私は汚いものが 大嫌いなのさ。
That's right. Therefore, I don't like dirty things. I hate dirty things. 大嫌い I hate or dislike greatly.
美しい私が乗る船も美しくなきゃね。そうだろ
う ?We must keep the boat beautiful that carries the beautiful me. So, 美しい私 the beautiful me. Because I'm beautiful, the boat that I ride on, 乗る船. So the verb before the noun modifies the noun. It describes the noun. So the 乗る船 is the boat she's riding on must also be kept, becomes clean. Don't you think so だろう？
そうだろう。お前にはどういうわけか人一倍海の知識があるから生かしておいてやってるんだ。はい、ありがとうございます。
Okay, お前 means you, には as for in with you. どういうわけ for what reason or I don't understand, but 人一倍 means more than the average person, so more than others. 人一倍海の知識 the sea knowledge or knowledge of the sea, which probably some hidden meaning or
もしかしたら
what do you think this
宝の
means?
場所が彼は知ってるのかもしれ
So
ない。
he knows something, maybe where, like you said, where the treasure is, or something that she's keeping him alive for. Because you have this ocean knowledge or sea knowledge, I am letting you live.
はい、ありがとうございます。
ビクビク is that shaking sound?
いや、ビクビク。そう。
Still very nervous.
怖がってる様子はビクビク。
So yes, thank you very much that she's keeping him alive because he has some knowledge.
それ以外は脳がないんだからとっとと靴を磨きな。
But other than that knowledge, or whatever it is that he knows that she wants to keep, you have no abilities, or you're useless. You have nothing that I want. Therefore, to means quickly.
そう、さっさと。
さっさと。
早くやってねってこと。
And 靴 boots or shoes here. 磨
きなさい。磨きなさい。
So clean my or shine my boots, shine my shoes.
ガンガン、ビク。はい、すぐに。
Yes, immediately or right away. And that's where we're going to stop for this video. We'll stay tuned in another day or so. We'll have another video with the next page, and we'll see you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.